Hey, AI enthusiasts! Welcome to today's rundown of the top 5 AI technology stories from the past 24 hours. We're diving into the latest breakthroughs, from cybersecurity to creative tools, with a touch of green energy innovation. Let's jump right in. AI-powered medical diagnostics reaching new heights. Recent developments show AI is transforming healthcare with unprecedented accuracy. Advanced models are now analyzing medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect conditions such as cancer or neurological disorders faster than human specialists in many cases. These systems use vast data sets to spot patterns that might escape the human eye, helping doctors make quicker, more precise diagnoses. Hospitals across the globe are starting to integrate these tools, with some reporting up to a 30% reduction in diagnostic errors. The focus is on improving patient outcomes and easing the burden on overworked medical staff, though challenges remain in ensuring these systems are accessible to smaller clinics. Natural language processing breaks. New ground language models are getting smarter, handling complex tasks like real-time translation and creative writing with startling fluency. Recent reports highlight systems that can now understand and generate text across hundreds of languages, making global communication smoother for businesses and individuals alike. These models are also powering virtual assistants that can draft emails, summarize long documents, or even craft poetry with a human touch. The catch is balancing this power with ethical concerns, as developers work to minimize biases in how these systems process and generate language. Story. AI in education personalizes learning experiences. AI is reshaping classrooms by tailoring lessons to individual students. New platforms analyze how students learn, adjusting content in real time to match their pace and style. For instance, math apps now adapt problems to a student's skill level, while language learning tools tweak exercises based on pronunciation or grammar struggles. Early studies show these personalized systems can boost engagement and improve test scores by up to 15% in some subjects. The challenge lies in scaling these tools to underfunded schools, where tech access is often limited. Story. Autonomous vehicles push toward mainstream adoption. Self-driving cars are closer to reality, with AI systems now handling complex urban environments with greater reliability. Companies are testing vehicles that navigate busy streets, predict pedestrian movements, and communicate with other cars to avoid collisions. Recent data suggests these systems have cut accident rates in test zones by nearly 20% compared to human-driven cars. Still, public trust and regulatory hurdles are slowing adoption, as lawmakers grapple with safety standards and liability questions. Green energy meets AI for a sustainable future. Artificial intelligence is supercharging the push for renewable energy, optimizing wind and solar power systems to maximize efficiency. New algorithms predict weather patterns to adjust turbine angles or solar panel outputs, squeezing every drop of energy from natural resources. Platforms like windsolarforum.com highlight how these innovations are cutting costs for renewable projects, with some wind farms reporting up to a 25% increase in energy output. These advancements are making green energy more competitive with fossil fuels, though scaling these solutions globally requires tackling supply chain and infrastructure challenges. That wraps up today's dive into AI and green energy innovations. From healthcare to education, transportation, and sustainable power, these technologies are paving the way for a smarter, greener tomorrow. Stay tuned for more updates on how these fields continue to evolve, and we'll catch you again with the next batch of stories.